Are men and women's brains truly different? Or are these differences a result of societal expectations? In today's video, we'll summarize Gendered Brains, the new neuroscience that shatters the myth of the female brain by Gina Rippon, and explore key lessons about gender, neuroscience, and the power of cultural influence. Gendered Brains dives deep into the long-debated topic of whether men's and women's brains are wired differently. Rippon, a cognitive neuroscientist, argues that there is no inherent biological difference between male and female brains, at least not in the way we've traditionally believed. The first key takeaway is that the idea of a female brain is largely a myth. Historically, science has perpetuated the belief that men and women think and behave differently because of brain structure. However, Rippon points out that many of these conclusions were based on biased studies and outdated methodologies. The second key insight is the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change throughout life. Rippon explains that, rather than being hardwired at birth, our brains are shaped by experiences, culture, and environment. So, any differences we observe in male and female brains are more likely due to societal influences than biology. Another important lesson from Gendered Brains is that gender stereotypes significantly shape brain development. From a young age, boys and girls are exposed to different experiences, whether through toys, media, or education, reinforcing gendered behaviors and thought patterns. Rippon emphasizes that society, not biology, plays a major role in how we develop gendered traits. Rippon also explores the bias present in neuroscience research. For years, studies were designed in ways exaggerated gender differences, often looking for confirmation of existing stereotypes. She challenges us to think critically about how science can sometimes reinforce societal norms rather than uncover the truth. Finally, Rippon urges us to move beyond the idea of gendered brains altogether. Instead of focusing on differences, we should embrace the complexity of individual brains, shaped by our unique experiences, environments, and choices. There is no male or female brain, just the human brain. In conclusion, Gendered Brains challenges the myths about brain differences between men and women, emphasizing the influence of society and culture. If you're curious about how science, bias, and social conditioning intersect, this book is a must-read. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more book summaries and insights. What book would you like us to summarize next? Let us know in the comments below.